Xiaomi has just unveiled the Redmi 13C 5G in its home market, bringing a host of enhancements over the non-5G variant. Remarkably, this budget-friendly device maintains an affordable starting price, hovering around the $100 mark. After making its global debut last month and arriving in India a few weeks ago, the Redmi 13C 5G is now hitting the shelves in China, offering an accessible 5G-enabled smartphone option for the masses. The Redmi 13C 5G boasts a vibrant 6.74-inch LCD display with a sleek water drop notch. Elevating the user experience, the screen features a 90 Hz refresh rate, 180 Hz touch sampling rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 600 nits. Under the hood, the device is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus, a significant upgrade from the aging Helio G85 found in the standard Redmi 13C. Storage options go up to 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, paired with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, a notable improvement over the vanilla Redmi 13C's eMMC 5.1 storage. The Redmi 13C 5G doesn't skimp on other features, offering a robust 50MP main camera, a 5MP selfie camera, a generous 5000 mAh battery, and efficient 18W charging. Security is handled with a convenient side-mounted fingerprint reader, and users can expand storage with SD card support. Running on MIUI 14, this device is geared to deliver a seamless user experience. Now, let's talk about the pricing details. 4 Plus, 128GB, CNY 749, 106, 6 plus 128GB, CNY 849, 120, 8 plus 256GB, CNY 1049, 148. With these competitive prices, Xiaomi continues to redefine what's possible in the budget smartphone arena. The Redmi 13C 5G is poised to make a significant impact with its impressive features and accessibility.